Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020, and today's story of the day is called The Red Book, Big Bird's Red Book. Do you like the color red? If you don't like the color red, maybe you like a different color? Think about that. What's red that you see on this cover? Is Big Bird red? No, he's yellow. I see some red balloons. I see a red bird. This bird is called a cardinal. I see some apples. And part of the title, Red Book, that's red too. This story is written by Rosanne and Jonathan Cerf and illustrated by Michael J. Smolin. This book is going to be about things that are red, like, red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Something red. That's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Do you see anything red on this page? What's red? See a red car. And what's this? I see red apples. And that man is wearing a red sweater and a red hat. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. Uh-oh, what's happening back here? Looks like the car ran into the apples, and now it's getting towed. Can you see anything that's red? We said the apples. We said the red car. The tow truck is red too. And I see two more red cars. I seem to have birdseed in here, but birdseed isn't red. What's coming down the street behind Big Bird? What's that? Is that a marching band? What color are their uniforms? That's right, they're red. Hey, none of this stuff is red. Big Bird can't find his red items. But look at all the red things behind him. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something in this bag. All his stuff on the floor, on the ground. Nothing's red. But what do you see behind him that's red? Is that Santa? I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in another bag. Look, now a parade is going by. I didn't have another bag. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Can you find another bag? Can you spot one? Where's Big Bird's other bag? Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been interesting as I hoped. Squash! Oh no, he sat down on the bench, and all of these red tomatoes got squished. And all the people are saying, uh-oh. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a full bag of tomatoes on this bench. Oh, silly Big Bird. Who put that bag of tomatoes there? It was Big Bird. Silly Big Bird, he forgot he did that. That was his bag of red things, a bag of tomatoes. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.